Best talk tayo ng mga kapuso, kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, Arjo! Good morning mga kapuso! Welcome to Bisto Karumbuntaga. Excited na kayo kung makauban ang kapuso actress. Wala lang kundi si kapusong Jasmin Curtis-Smith. Maayong buntag, Jasmin, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Welcome to Mindanao. How are you doing?
Maayong buntag sa lahat ng nakikinig at nanonood ngayong umaga. I hope you're all doing well. I myself, I'm doing great. I've been busy the last few weeks, pero happy and healthy pa rin.
That's good to know. And we've also seen in your, of course, in your social media accounts that you've been an ambassador for World Vision for many years now, and in fact, you've been very active in all of its projects, programs, and advocacies. Why do you think World Vision is so close to your heart?
I think because they hold such good morals as an organization. They really focus on education and family, and that's something that I've always valued. As a child growing up, I really focused on getting hindi lang good grades pero pati yung pakikisama at school, yung relationships with your teachers, your fellow classmates, all of that. And then, bukod pa doon, yun nga, yung sa family, yung pag-nurture ng family, spiritual, all of that, it really ties in with what I believe in.
And tuloy-tuloy na rin sana ang pagda-taping mo for Descendants of the Sun, but then COVID-19 happened. Kumusta ang samahan ninyo sa Descendants of the Sun? Are you still communicating with them very closely right now?
Yes, and thankfully, natuloy na rin ang taping namin, I think a week ago, if I'm not mistaken, na natapos na namin ng lahat and finally na-wrap up na yung show. Very malungkot na natapos na siya kasi nga parang, I guess, in one way, yung pandemic, when it happened, it allowed for our relationship as cast members, with the production, with the crew, to really stretch. And nagkaroon kami ng friendship outside of that because hindi lang kami nagkikita for taping, kundi during the pandemic, we all made a personal effort. What the production was asking from us, actors gathered together and decided gagawa tayo ng Facebook Live, and we will do a weekly something for our fans para ma-sustain yung momentum ng serye.
Correct. No? And apart from Descendants of the Sun, we're very thrilled to see you sa mini-series naman ng I Can See You. Ito naman, Love on the Balcony with Alden Richards. What excites you the most with Love on the Balcony?
Definitely the storyline, because when I was reading it na first time, it felt very light. It felt very happy, and I'm not used to doing scripts that are usually light and full of smiles. Usually, kinukuha ako para paiyakin, or magmukmok, or magdrama sa isang eksena. So that excited me because it allowed me to bring or to challenge myself kung kaya ko bang panindigan yung gusto ni Direct LA from the character. And of course, working with Alden, this is the second time we finally get to work on the TV format kasi nagpelikula na kami before. And then also, yung talaga, basta yung storyline yan kasi siyang twist na I feel no one will expect because I didn't expect it. And yung pagkasulat niya maganda.
Right. Let's invite all our kapuso, lalo na dito sa Mindanao, na abangan ang Love on the Balcony.
Sa mga kapuso natin sa Mindanao, please watch out for I Can See You, Love on the Balcony. And I hope you guys enjoy. Tweet us, post about it. Let us know how you guys feel about our episode. Maraming salamat!
Thank you very much, Jasmine. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And that was kapusong Jasmin Curtis-Smith. Tutok lang mo mga kapuso, kayo mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.